Hi, I'm Sue Brook from Alignable, and I'm going to share with you how to make the best use of a free account. Now, Alignable is where over 6 million small business owners feel at home, and there are plenty of ways to join the conversation. Alignable is passionate about bringing small business owners together to connect, share ideas and resources, and work together to create referrals and new business. There's a lot of value in being on the free account, so take some time to get familiar with the platform. Did you know you can connect your address book with your Alignable account and connect with people you already know for free without using your connection credits? So when you connect with people you already know, they're more likely to recommend you right away, and you only need 5 recommendations to earn a highly recommended badge. This immediately shows that you are a legitimate business owner that people will want to connect and do business with. Make sure your profile is complete. Members can search for a variety of things on Alignable, so you'll want to make sure your profile has everything your potential referral partners and potential clients would want to know about you and your business. Make sure you include a detailed description of your business, your contact information, your photo, and the products and services that you offer. Make sure you choose the proper category and tags that represent what you do and the types of referrals you're looking for. You can also add upcoming events and promotions that you're running. Engage with your local community. Introduce yourself, participate in discussions, and share referrals with people that you already know. One of the best ways to connect with other business owners on Alignable quickly is to join a group. We have a wide variety of groups on Alignable that you can join for free, where you can find businesses in your industry or have a similar affinity or interest. Alignable was built to give our members a safe space to connect with other business owners and build relationships first. Having the mindset of giving and supporting business owners and creating referral partners will attract others to want to connect with you. And guess what? It's free to connect with members who send you a connection request first. You can also start your own group on Alignable for free and become a leader, share your expertise, and bring others together who share similar interests. When you share your expertise and support other members on Alignable, people will notice you and are more likely to connect with you first. Once you've started meeting and connecting with other members, you have the option to upgrade to a premium account and add more connection credits when you're ready. But most importantly, have fun. Check in regularly for updates on groups, new events, and make sure to join conversations and get involved.